Hello everyone, I am Luan from Louimagin. I am a travel and hotel photographer, and for the past months I've been traveling to Malaysia and Australia. There was kind of a work and holiday travel because I've been working on a lot of new things. I've been creating a lot of content for you guys, and at the same time I actually really enjoy my time, especially in Australia. That is kind of my home, and I didn't travel there for 4 years, so that was so good to be back and to enjoy a bit of nature, a lot of the beaches, and my friends, of course. The reason why I'm making this video is because during those 5 weeks I didn't pay for a single hotel. And today I wanna explain you how I did that and give you a few tips to succeed to find collaboration, even if you don't have a community, if you don't have a big following, but if you are a photographer that can give good value to hotels. Well, a lot of us know that today there's a lot of influencers that get free stays or paid work with hotel to do their influencing job, influencing people and drag their community to the hotel or the product, the page, their accounts or something like this. It is, the influencer job. But I have a good news for you today. If you are not an influencer and if you don't have a big following on your social media accounts, is that if you are a great photographer and that you can bring value to someone, then you can also get those kind of collaboration, free stay. This will bring value to them, but that's also a way for you to network, to build reputation and to build your portfolio. So I share with you today 5 tips that is going to help you to find this collaboration. I built an ebook that gives detailed steps from searching hotels to deliver the content to your dream collaboration with big brands such as Accor, Marriott, or the most beautiful boutique hotel. The link is in the description. Tip number 1, before contacting any hotels, build a portfolio. You should have a place where people can quickly understand who you are, what you do, and can visually project themselves. So that's the place where you show the best work related to the kind of business you want to collaborate with. So if you want to collaborate with a hotel, it's probably not going to make sense for them if you are sending a portfolio full of e-commerce photography. Like, it's not related and they can't project themselves. Send and create a portfolio that makes sense for them, that is related to the business. Step number 2, plan in advance. While you might be able to find a collaboration at the last minute, the last second, and it happened to me before, I don't recommend it. I would recommend to plan and contact the hotels a few months before the trip. Why? Because the hotels need to plan. That's a long process. You're gonna contact someone, then this person probably is not the decision maker. So this person is going to contact the decision maker, then contact you back. You're gonna discuss a few things. Well, all of those things are sometimes not happening in like 2 days. It needs a bit of time. They need to think about it. They need to decide if they are interested or not. Maybe to talk about with a few other people. So plan in advance if you want to make all your chance in your side. Plan in advance if you really want to get this collaboration. It will help for them to say yes and to plan something that is going to match with what you want. Tip number 3, don't give up. If you don't have an answer of your email the day after you send it, don't give up. Don't give up just now. Like, that's almost normal. So try to call them, try to contact them on their social media pages. Try to meet them if it's something local. But don't give up at the first email. People receive so many emails per day, so maybe they just didn't see it, or they read it and then they had a meeting, they forget about it. So send back a message, don't give up. It's not because you didn't get a reply that they hate you. It's not like that. So contact them again and again if needed in different platforms, and at some point they might just notice you. As long as they didn't tell you a big no, then don't give up. It might work. Tip number 4, create a short list. Know what you are going to shoot. make your research, check out the hotel social media, the website, so you can see what they already have, and plan in advance by creating a shortlist. You can also ask them before the day of the collaboration what they want, what they need for their content, so it gives you an idea of what you could shoot once you are there. Now, if you are shooting for your portfolio, then check out what you already have and decide, create a shortlist by what you need in your portfolio. So for example, if you don't have any rooms in your portfolio, you only have lobbies, then check the room so you can add that in your portfolio. So now tip number 5, update your portfolio and your offer. Well, once you've been shooting a few plays, you'll be able to update your portfolio, and the experience with meeting those people will help you to update your offer as well and to get paid shoots. So, because you now know what hotels need, so it helps you to create an offer that fit for the kind of hotel you've been shooting during this collaboration. So that's it for today. If you like these steps, I have built an ebook that detailed everything from searching the hotel to deliver to the hotel and rebuilding a portfolio. I give all the tools I use to contact them, to follow up, also a portfolio templates, a Google Sheet for contacting hotels, and yeah, basically every step you need to know to be able to get a great collaboration anywhere in the world. So yeah, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like the video if you learned something today. And yeah, I see you in the next video. Bye.